Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this body is designed here a flange body, and all assemble of this final assemble body is this is a valve design project, and this is a valve design project, and all parts is one by one is discussed here, and one by one is drawing here easily and clearly. Then this part is a this body, and this assemble body is this one part is this, and this body is a flange, and flange is very important valve design. And this flange is how to this body is designed, and this is a 2D geometry is also available here. This is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view, and all geometry and all dimension is easily you can see here on the screen, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and this is a isometric view, and this final project is a valve design. Okay, let's start here this body is design and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. Okay, this body is designed here easily and clear. This is a flange, and flange is a use a very important role this final project valve design. Okay, this is a perfect and correct and how to this flange body is designed easily and clearly. So let's start here this okay, at first select our part, and part is this and some setting is very important. Plain white, going to document property, and this image quality is very high because this board is looking perfect okay. Okay, and all geometry is looking here. This is a total distance is a 22 millimeter, and this is a distance is 12 millimeter, and this center line is this and distance between this to this is a 12.5 millimeter, and this radius is 12.5 millimeter, and diameter is showing is 25 millimeter is same here, and again 5.5 millimeter is radius, then diameter is 11 millimeter, and this radius is 7 millimeter, and this radius and use this diameter is 14 millimeter, and this thickness this length is 3 millimeter, then this is a diameter is 6 millimeter is correct, and this use a chamfer is 1 millimeter and 45 degrees angle. Okay, all point is this length is 8 millimeter, and total is 22 millimeter. Okay, at first select a plane is a front plane is perfect okay, and going to draw a center line. A center line is drawing here this. Okay, and select a line is a drawing this and draw a this line, draw a geometry, and geometry is a perfect and okay, all is perfect or draw a simple geometry, and then all geometry is a dimension is apply here. Okay, this is a perfect and this to this and connect to this, and this point to connect to this. Okay, and also bigger is okay. Okay, this geometry is designed here, and mention all dimension is one by one is drawing here, and this point and this point is a select here a vertical. Okay, and dimension is active, and all one by one is all point is drawing here. Okay, at first this is a diameter is 7 millimeter, radius and total is a 22 millimeter. Then select this line to this is a 7 millimeter, and this is total distance is a 22 millimeter. Okay, and next is a this is a use a 5.5 millimeter, and this is a 8 millimeter, and this distance is a 5.5 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 8 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is 12 millimeter. Okay, and this is 3 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 7 millimeter. Okay, and then and this distance is a okay, this distance and this is a 12.5 millimeter, and this distance is a this to this center is a 12.5 millimeter. Okay, all dimension is a black, all is a black color, means this is a fully defined, this is a fully defined, and all is looking perfect, and all dimension and all geometry is a correct drawing here, and okay, all is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is correct, and then going to revolve boss base, and okay, this is a automatic select here this axis of rotation, axis of revolution is automatic select here, and this is a correct. Okay, and correct and perfect. This body is a drawing here, and the again select a chamfer, and chamfer is a 1 millimeter is 45-degree angle. Then select this and click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and going to appearance, and nickel is apply here, and polished nickel is a perfect, and all is perfect. And I going to isometric view, drawing this to this. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, all point is discuss here, and all point is correct, and drawing easily this flange body. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.